accidentally deleted notes from iCloud? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to restore iPhone notes from iCloud quickly and easily. Part 1. How to restore notes on iPhone from iCloud. Method 1. Restore notes on iPhone from iCloud. Sign into iCloud.com. Notes recently deleted. Select the note and click Recover. It'll return to your Notes folder. Method 2. How to restore iPhone notes from iCloud backup. Go to iPhone Settings, General, Reset, Erase all contents and settings. We do this so that the device can go back to the setup screen. Follow the direction on the Setup Assistant until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Now select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into iCloud. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then select the appropriate backup. Wait for the task to be complete. The iPhone will then reboot, and you should see the notes on the Note app. Method 3. Over notes from iCloud with Doctor for iOS. How to restore notes from iCloud in the least time-consuming and easiest way. Well, you can try Mobican Doctor for iOS, one of the few most professional iOS data recovery tools available to date. Step 1. Launch the iCloud Notes Recovery program on your computer. Select Recover from iCloud and log into your Apple ID or iCloud account. Step 2. Upon entering the main interface, all the iCloud backup files will be displayed in the preview window. Select the one you need and then click Next to download the iCloud backup files. Step 3. Click Notes from the left column, and all the iPhone notes will be listed in the interface. You can then preview the details of notes before retrieving the specific items from iCloud Backup by clicking Recover to Computer. Part 2. What if you can't restore notes from iCloud? Solution 1. How to retrieve notes from iCloud from recently deleted folder. In the recently deleted folder, tap Edit, select Notes. Then tap Move to. Choose a location to recover them. Solution 2. How to recover deleted notes on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Connect iPhone to PC. Open iTunes. Click Device icon. Go to Summary Backups. Choose Backup Location. Then click Restore Backup. Part 3. How to better manage your iPhone notes on iCloud. Tip 1. In Notes, tap Edit, select Notes, then tap Move to and choose a location. Tip 2. On iDevice, Mac, or iCloud, drag and drop notes between folders. Tip 3. Tap the share icon on a web page notes to save it. Tip 4. Open a note share icon, lock set password or use Touch ID. Tip 5. Go to Settings iCloud, enable notes to auto-save new notes to iCloud.